first thing you got to do is put your name on the back. This thing is going to be the symmetrical shape for the Allan McCollum project. And to make something symmetrical, you have got to fold it over. And I'm folding it over the hot dog way, but you can do it either way. And I think the hot dog way is the best. All right. Then you're going to draw a line that doesn't come back and touch this area until you get all the way to the end. All right. You want to make that a pretty interesting shape. That's not as interesting as it could be. So I'm going to draw a little bit in, a little bit more, and then a little bit in like that. All right. So I'm going to cut this shape out. Cut this shape out. I'm cutting on the line. So that. And it might be easy to cut in parts. You see, I just cut in a part. This is going to be your symmetrical shape. You're doing two shapes today. One is symmetrical and one is not symmetrical. All right. Boom. See how that's the same on both sides? It has some pencil showing. So I'm going to put it here. And put it here. What you're going to do is not glue all over the back. Only on the edges. Only on the what? The edges. You're going on the edges. If you don't, I'll run out of glue. And you won't finish. Because you got two things to do with it. Now this white paper is the one, the white paper is the one for the symmetrical one. Don't get the papers mixed up, because I'll think you don't know what you're doing. Get it right even in the middle. That one's done. Now you got another one to do, all right? And this one, you want to maybe draw a big shape that has lots of crazy on it, all right? And then you're going to cut it out. You're going to cut it out in parts. You're going to cut it out his side, this side. Cut. You don't want to make that shape too small. It's very easy to make it too small. Make it really as big as you can on that sheet. And I'm coming from the other side because it was too hard to get in there. So on this side, you cut a little bit out like this, go around it. Okay, so I'm cutting that stuff into little bitty bits. You want this to be an interesting shape. Which means that once you're done, if you don't think it's interesting enough, cut some off out. No, I don't like that. So I'm going to go in here, cut something like that. I think that's a little more interesting. You cut that like that. All right, that's my interesting. Ooh, I don't like that. Cut a little bit till I get it right. Now, once again, this is the pencil side. That's the side you want to put the glue on, the pencil side. Go around the edges. Go around the edges. Now, you put your name on the back, Mr. C. Turn it over. And then you go around the edges. Do not do it all over the back, just on the edges. All right. And then when we put them all together, we will have our Allan McCollum asymmetrical. Symmetrical. We're done.